This strategy relies on two indicators, as showcased by Trade Genius. They traded it on the breakout line using the 5-minute time frame for XAU-USD, which is the ticker symbol for gold against the US dollar. So we're going to do the same. First, we'll open the indicator search tab and add the breakout line indicator by this amazing author. According to its creator, this is a simple script designed to identify breakout levels. You choose a time frame, but it must be higher than your chart's time frame. In this case, Trade Genius adjusted it to the 1-hour time frame, meaning the indicator will track price breakouts based on that setting. What's interesting about this strategy is that we don't actually know how it works. The creator didn't specify whether it follows something like the EMA, super trend, or another method. What we do know is that when the price breaks and closes above this line, that's our cue to take long positions. On the other hand, when it breaks and closes below, that signals a short position. To make things clearer on the chart, we'll change its color to yellow and confirm the settings. The second indicator used in this strategy is called MACD Reloaded, created by this amazing author. Big shout out to both of them. After adding it, we'll adjust a few settings. The short moving average length will be set to 100, and the long moving average length will be changed to 200. Then, in the Inputs tab, it will reduce the opacity for color 1 and color 2 to 0% and disable two specific options. Once that's done, we'll save the changes. This version of the MACD will help us identify market momentum. Green bars indicate bullish momentum, which we'll use to confirm long trades, while a red bar signal bearish momentum, which we'll use for short trades. Now let's go over how to enter a trade using this strategy. But before that, I want to introduce you to my trading family at Bybit.
Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success.
Alright, back to our strategy. The first step is in confirming a bullish breakout using the breakout line indicator. Of course, the yellow line. The price needs to be below the line and then break and close above it. That signals a breakout. The second condition is that the breakout candle, the one that pushes through the line, must also have a green MACD Reloaded histogram bar, confirming bullish momentum. Once both conditions are met, we enter a long position. The stop loss is placed just below the most recent swing low, and take profit is set at 1.5 times the risk. To better understand this, let's look at a few examples. In one case, several long trades appeared back to back. First, the price dropped below the yellow line, then broke and closed above it. At the same time, the MACD histogram turned green, confirming the entry. The same pattern repeated with another breakout. Each time, a breakout above the yellow line coincided with a green histogram bar, making it a valid trade. For short trades, the conditions are simply the opposite. We'll look for a bearish breakout where the price breaks and closes below the line. At the same time, the MACD Reloaded histogram must show a red bar on the breakout candle, confirming bearish momentum. Once both conditions align, we enter a short trade. The stop loss is placed just above the most recent swing high, while the take profit is again set at 1.5 times the risk. As we let the trade run, this setup also proved profitable.
Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedX, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a FundedX account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With FundedX, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game with Funded Next. You get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next.
Now, with the strategy explained, let's take a look at the backtesting results. After running 100 trades, the results showed 41 profitable trades and 34 losing trades, giving us a win rate roughly above 54%. The worst losing streak consisted of the 5 consecutive losses, but there was also a streak of 6 consecutive wins. The maximum drawdown from closed trades was 5% based on risking 1% per trade, meaning we risked 1% of the account to aim for 1.5% profit per trade. One thing we can't determine without real-time data is the floating drawdown. How much the price fluctuated before hitting a stop loss or take profit. However, the closed trades drawdown gives us a solid reference point. In total, the strategy resulted in a 27.5% gain on the account. For those wondering how long it took to find these entries, all 100 trades occurred approximately 2 months. If you noticed vertical lines placed on the TradingView chart during backtesting, those were used to mark losing trades. Since TradingView's long and short position tool don't automatically separate wins and losses in the object tree, we use the vertical lines for clarity, preventing any manual miscounting. And that's everything about this strategy. What do you think? Do you have any suggestions to improve it? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.